Good morning and welcome to Vlogmas Day 18. Not long now to Christmas. The pucker tea was a licorice and cinnamon, and it's very licoricey, but it's lovely. Also, the news, well, no news, is my daughter-in-law, whose baby's due in 2 days, no signs. So my son's getting really worried that it's going to come on Christmas Day, so he's really starting to panic because their other little girl was 5 days late. So yeah, so we're just waiting for the text or message. Right, so getting back to the Crochet Society blanket, as I suspected yesterday, it wasn't a lot to do. There was just one row because we'll be getting a new colour today, and we'll be doing the mosaic design like we did here with this grey colour and whatever is in the box today. So let's open up day 18 and see what colour we're going to use. I'll just turn you around. Right, day 18. Ooh, it's a nice turquoisey blue. So this is what we're going to, I love these colours. This is what we're going to do overlapping with the mosaic design. So, and I think there's quite a lot to do. I'm going to be busy, and I'm going out tonight on for a Christmas meal with some friends. So I don't know when I'll get that done. But yes. Look forward to finishing that. Right, the other thing I wanted to show you was I did some more on my candle mat, and here it is here. This is what I've done, the toys. So I'm really pleased with that. It's coming on nicely. So nearly 3/4 of the way round, and then I can back it and edge it and put it on my coffee table. So yes, looking forward to that. So hopefully I'll do some more of that. Don't know if it'll be tonight, I don't know what time I'll get back, but certainly over the weekend. Okay, well, hopefully I'll be back before I go out, 5ish, to show you what I've done so far with the crochet blanket. I'm not guaranteeing that I've done the whole of what I should have done, but I'll do my best. See you in a bit. Right, I'm back. I thought I'd show you what I'm doing for my son and my daughter-in-law. Their baby's due in 2 days, and I've got this little hamper. I stored it. I don't know what it was from, maybe a food hamper from years ago or something that I bought for my mum. But anyway, it's a lovely basket, and I put some pink crepe paper in there, and I'm going to show you what I'm going to put in there. I've got 2 little bibs that I made. So they've got sort of cotton fabric this side, and this is toweling, and I made this out of I bought a white flannel from Tesco's, and then I cut it in half. See, it was a square flannel, and I cut it in half, and then put some fabric the other side, and put some poppers on, and it's perfect for their first bibs. So yes, I've got 2 of those that I've made. I also crocheted this lovely little cardigan or matinee jacket. I don't know if you can see that. So that was a nice little cardigan. So and then I knitted this little cardigan, and you can see I've got these little, I don't know what they are, they're cats. I think they're little green birds or something, or maybe frogs, I don't know, buttons. But yes, that's a tiny little cardigan. And I've got matching booties that I made, and matching gloves, mittens. So that's going to go into the hamper. And then at Tesco's I bought some stuff that you always need. So I got first size nappies, so they're handy. I got a couple of sponges for washing. I got some cotton pads for cleaning baby's face or mum or something. I got some shampoo, some baby lotion, some wipes, baby wipes for nappy changing, and what else? I think there's one more in there. Oh, and some nappy rash cream for sensitive skin. And then I bought some baby grows, and I got up to £10 because I think the last one was £8 something. So that's cute. So that's Pussycat's out of Lady and the Tramp, I think, isn't it? So yeah, so that's nice. And then I got this presentation box with this little bunny and the muslin cloths. So I think that was the most expensive thing, I think. But yeah, so I'm going to turn you around and we're going to try and fit it into the little gift box. Right, you should just have seen me wrapping my daughter-in-law's and my son's sort of new baby gift. They haven't had it yet. It's still 2 days to go and no sign of the baby. But when I went to Tesco's, I picked up some bits, and I just thought I'd show you. Now it's all wrapped in the cellophane, and I've done a little heart thing. This is I think it's made out of some foam. Had it in my bottom drawer, you know, for a rainy day, and it worked perfectly. So there it is, all wrapped, ready for them. So just waiting to get that news. Also, I've had a spotty bag. So this is the subscription, God, I can't remember what it's called now, it's been so long. It's the monthly subscription where we're doing the quilt, and you've got alphabet to do, and the Secret Society, and this time we're doing N and O. So here, so that one, N and O, and I think we've got some other bits and pieces, some free downloads, so some printouts for the hearts and some things that could go on the heart, and some there. Congratulations, Happy New Year. They're lovely. Oh, look at that. Congratulations. And this baby bit here, I could do that, couldn't I, if I got time, in a heart shape, one of these heart shapes. I don't know if they provide, I don't think they're providing any extra fabric for that. That's just a download that you can do. And what else have we got here? We've got, I think these must be, it doesn't say, but I reckon these must be hankies, little hankies, and they're got a reindeer and a Christmas tree. And then there's the fabrics, and a sweet. So I'm going to have that with my cup of tea later. So yeah, and then just the fabrics. So no fabric with this, but I did get, remember I did get that box of goodies to make some Christmas stuff. So maybe I'll make this. Though, you know what would be nice is to do it in pink. So in my spare time, I might do that. But yes, that's it for now, really. It's 12 o'clock, so it's midday. My husband's going to dye my hair now because my grey's starting to come through. And then I'll see if I get a chance to do a bit before I go out for my meal with my friends, with my old work friends. So I'm looking forward to doing that. And of course, I'm looking forward to hearing when this new baby's coming. Any time now. So it'll probably be late and it'll be the new year. I do hope not, for their sake. Otherwise it'll be a nerve-wracking Christmas day. Yeah, they'll be thinking, they'll be on tenterhooks all the time thinking it's going to come. So yes, so okay, so I'll probably speak to you later about 5:30, 6 o'clock before I go out. See you in a bit. I'm back at 6 o'clock and I'm just about to go out for my meal, but I thought I'd just sign off to you. I haven't done any of the crocheting. I got distracted. I don't know if you mentioned a bit earlier about when this arrived from Dandelion Designs, and we got these things, and I said, oh, I might make a little heart thing for my son and his wife, their baby that's coming. And there you are, you can see that's what I've done so far. I haven't finished it, but I'm just doing the white dots around here and finishing off the bit of pink. And I don't know how well you can see, the light's terrible in here, but yes, so I'm really pleased with that. And then I've got to figure out how I'm gonna make some sort of cushion with a little tie on it. And yeah, I haven't decided if I'm going to put the baby's name and weight on there yet. I might just leave it plain, so so that I can finish it off. But yes, so that's all done, and I'm going off out now for a nice Christmas meal, and I'll see you tomorrow. And hopefully maybe when I get back from the meal, if I haven't had too much to drink, I'll have a go at the crocheting. But otherwise I'll see you tomorrow. Bye.